Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on installation of Audacity in Windows OS. In this tutorial, we will learn about installation of Audacity, LAME library and FFmpeg library in the Windows operating system. To record this tutorial, I'm using Windows OS version 7, Audacity version 2.2.1 and a working internet connection. Audacity is a free and open source software. It is used for multi-track audio recording and editing. It is available for Mac OS X, Microsoft Windows, GNU Linux and other operating systems. Now, let us learn how to install Audacity in Windows OS. To do so, open this link on any web browser. Here is the page. On the left-hand side, you can see that the current version, Audacity 2.2.1, is available for download. The latest available version could be different when you are downloading. Let me click on the link Audacity for Windows. You will see two links: Audacity 2.2.1 installer, Audacity 2.2.1 zip file. I will click on the first link, that is the installer link. The Save dialog box opens. It will ask, would you like to save this file? Click on Save File button. This may take some time to download depending on your internet speed. Now, let me go to the Downloads folder to view the downloaded file. Here you can see the downloaded Audacity setup file. Right-click on the file and click on Run as Administrator. A message box may appear asking about user account control. If it does, click on Yes. Another dialog box named Select Setup Language will appear. Select English from the drop-down and then click on OK. A Setup Audacity window will appear. Click on Next. It will show you some information. Read it and then click on Next. It will direct you to another window named as Select Destination Location. Here, by default, it is set as like this. You may see a different default location on your machine. Carefully set the path here in case you want to change the location. Now click on Next. In the Select Additional Task window, I will check Create a Desktop icon. On checking this, a shortcut icon will be created on the desktop. Then click on Next. Now the setup file is ready to install. Let us click on Install. You can see it is installing. This may take a few seconds. Now click on Next. I will check the Launch Audacity option. This will show us the Audacity window once the installation is completed. Lastly, click on Finish to exit the setup. The Audacity window pops up immediately. Note, whenever you open Audacity, a small window may appear with some information. Check the option Don't show this again at startup, then click on OK. This is how the Audacity interface looks like. To cross-verify the installation, we will do a small demo recording. click on the button with the red dot. Narrate a sentence. For example, "Welcome to Audacity." If you see waveforms below, then your Audacity installation is successful. Let us close this window now without saving the recording. We are back in the desktop. To open Audacity in Windows OS subsequently, either click on the shortcut icon on the desktop or click on Start menu, type Audacity and click on the icon. This completes the installation demo for Windows OS. Some important things to know about Audacity. By default, Audacity will export the audio files in few formats like OGG, MP3, etc. A plugin called LAME is needed in Audacity to export into MP3 format in Windows OS. Audacity also uses the FFmpeg plugin to be able to read or import MP4 files in Windows OS. Now let us learn about the LAME installation. LAME is a library that allows some programs to encode MP3 files. To install LAME library in Windows OS, visit this link. Here is the web page. Scroll down a little bit. Locate to download LAME and FFmpeg for Windows. Click links below. We will use the recommended installer package for Windows. Click on the installer package LAME version 3.99.3 for Windows.exe. Save the file on your computer. In my system, it is saved in Downloads folder by default. Let me go to the Downloads folder. Double-click lame_v 3.99.3 for Windows.exe to launch it. Follow the setup instructions to install LAME for Audacity. Make sure not to change the default installation location of this. The default location would be C:/program files x86/lame for Audacity. You should now be able to export to MP3 format in Audacity in Windows OS. Now we have the necessary setup to export our recordings to MP3 format. Let's move on. FFmpeg libraries allow Audacity to import audio from video files. To install FFmpeg library in Windows OS, visit this link. Here is the web page. Scroll down a little bit. Locate to download LAME and FFmpeg for Windows, click links below. Directly below these, click the installer package FFmpeg-win-2.2.2.exe. Save the file on your computer. In my system, it is saved in Downloads folder by default. Go to the Downloads folder, double-click on FFmpeg-win-2.2.2.exe to launch the installer. Another dialog box named Select Setup Language will appear. Select English from the drop-down and then click on OK. A setup window will appear. Read the license, click on Next, Next, and Install. To install the required files to C:/program files/FFmpeg for Audacity. For 64-bit version of Windows, the default location would be C:/program files in bracket x86/FFmpeg for Audacity. Lastly, click on Finish to exit the setup. Let me show you a small demo of the same. Note, I will import the audio from a video file named as What is a Spoken Tutorial.mov from my desktop. Then click on Start menu and type Audacity. Click on Audacity from the displayed list. This will open an empty Audacity project on your screen. On the main menu, click on the file. Now click on Import and then on Audio. A dialog box will appear asking to choose the location of the file. I will choose Desktop and then my file What is a Spoken Tutorial.mov. Lastly, click on Open. It will import only the audio from this particular video. You can see the audio track here. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about installation of Audacity, LAME library, and FFmpeg library in the Windows operating system. Watch the video available at this link. This video summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions in the Spoken Tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use this discussion as instructional material. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This script has been contributed by the Spoken Tutorial team. And this is Mousumi Medhi from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining.